Hello. Um, my name's Tuxedo Weasel. This is my first series. It's a game I love. Uh, I just, I was inspired to play it, and I just got the hiccups, and I have a cold, so I thought I'd just hop on and start recording this, so we're gonna see how it goes. Dunking the tie, sure. That'll work. I'm gonna go with Wanderer, I think. And Master Key. Make him have a big ol' head. Sure. Let's give him a happy face. These hiccups. These hiccups, please. Please. Sure, swept back. Give him that darkish purple hair. This looks good. Duncan the Ta, the legendary warrior. I don't have a build in mind. I'm just gonna, play it as I go. But I have no reason to be playing this and recording it. I just love the game. So figured I'd share it with the small amount of people that may or may not see it. And maybe teach somebody a thing or two. Because I have an unhealthy amount of knowledge about this game. If my having a cold and or amount of hiccups bothers you, I'm sorry. But I haven't had a lot of time to record this week, so I just finished with a final, and I thought, why not? I'm feeling Dark Soulsy. Excuse me, sir. Let me buy you. You wanna race, huh? You wanna race? No. This is Oscar. Oscar the Grouch. Blah 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 blah. If you listen real close, that was him killing himself, which is pretty fucked up, but that's Dark Souls. It just happens. Whoa! Whoa! I like this scimitar. Might just use it for a while. I really like parrying. It's just super satisfying. And, this game's controls are so fucking tight. It's just so nice. I love it. Okay, little thing. If you do, a jump attack, like a movement, forward movement, and then RT, and then do your plunging attack as you're falling, so you do a jump attack, and then you hold the right bumper, you'll actually hit him twice, and do a bunch of damage, so it's good. It's good. It's a nice little tip. And the opportunity to do that comes up a lot, so it's good to know. It's just that extra little bit of damage. It helps. It helps. There's a soul over here. And now we're going to be taken to the land of Milk and honey. Oh, no, we're not. Is Lord Rand. It's really depressing and empty. Just gonna get right into it and go over here. Oh. Oh. That always gets me, not being able to kick. Oh, I'm bad. I am gonna go ahead and grab the Ring of Sacrifice, I guess. Because, you know, why not? Do it! Make it! Yes! Easy. I had total confidence that I was gonna make that the whole time. You got this? Yes. Get the fuck out of here. That was really late. I don't know, that was weird. Come on, boy. Try it. Oh. Got slashed a couple times. So, man, the first half of this game is so good. Levels are designed super well, I think. But then it kind of falls off once you get the Soul Vessel, or Lord Vessel, or whatever. I don't know. But that's my opinion. But shit, man, the first half is so good. Even Sense Fortress, I like. Because I'm a masochist, I guess. But I like it, though. It's nice. Whoa! Not gonna stagger me today, dragon. Off with you. Oh. Fucking goobers. Get away from me. What? Ha ha ha! You've exposed yourself, fiend. Away with you. I think I'm gonna kill this guy. This friendly merchant man. I'm gonna kill him and I'm gonna take his Uchigatana because that shit's the bee's knees. Wow. Hello. Let's act like we're not gonna murder this guy. Shop around for a minute. Oh yeah, you have a bow? Okay. I'll take that, sure. You got some arrows? Give me some arrows. Sounds good. 60, sure.
Thank you,
Yeah, no problem, dude. Psych, bitch.
I'll teach you.
Yeah.
Rat. Yulia!
Get out of here. Go pawn your shit at somewhere else, Mr. Man. So these guys are are dicks. I don't like these guys. You know, that flurry attack, it's killed me so many times. I'm just salty permanently. Oh, this thing attacks so fast. It's so nice. Give me that broken straight sword. Add it to my collection. Up the ladder we go. So, from here, you can do this little jump and go wah, and then break the barrels and go up here. Not that way. Boom! Light crossbow right there. Then you can niftily fall down here. Can you make that jump? I don't know. Well, look at that. Free humanity from me. What are you? Oh! Douchebag. Okay, so I think we're clear to head to the Taurus demon now. Got the Uchigatana. Got the crossbow that I'm never gonna use. Let's get this wooden shield, I guess. Cause I like me some items. How did this guy die? No! Damn it. Touch the blood stain. What? Fuck. Come on. Not gonna let me do it? Okay. Show me the error of your ways. Just roll up. I love this game. How'd this guy die? Dude, this guy. Alright. I got outplayed like a motherfucker. I should feel really bad, actually. That was bad. Oh, give me the double. Nope. I deserve that. I tried to double parry them. And got punished. It's not safe. Come on, you punk ass bitch. Wha! Trying to attack me when my back is turned, huh? You coward. Oh, you as well. Nice broken straight sword, nerd. Try rear. It's good advice. Whoa. Calm down, Agatha. Pop a pill. And charge this firebomb using Nancy. Oh, well played. Yeah, I might as well kill this guy. Kill him! Die! How is that not a parry? Come on. Oh, come on. How'd you die? What is this, man? What the heck, man? Heck you goon. Take that. I like that. How much damage does that do? Like the versatility of this weapon, it's nice. I can scooch back and then scooch back again. Can't kick though. It's a pretty big downside. I like my kicking. Oh, almost got it out fast enough. You know what? I'm gonna fight this goon down here. 'Cause I don't like him. He's an ugly goober. No free backstab for me. Okay. Why? Alright, man. Let me parry that ass. Come here, mister. No. Too soon. Okay, where is it safe to heal? No, fuck you! Oh my god. That scared me. This is gonna take a while. That was bullshit. Come on. This fucking game. Alright. I've cornered myself. That was really bad. Okay. Put it all on the line. Okay. Hey now. Oh, please. I am running. I am running. Get me out of here. Goodbye. That's the secret strategy. If you don't want to fight anybody, you don't have to. You just leave. That's how to deal with your problems, kids. Are you serious? Okay. Alright, that's what I'm talking about, game. What? Man, that was some sort of retarded shit I just did. I don't know. I don't know what that was. I don't know what oh, come on, no. Dude, what is wrong with me? Man. Okay. So, there are a few ways to fight this guy. The most efficient, by far, is to use that gold pine resin and just fucking slash at him. Cut his ankles up. But you know, you can be a Nancy, and you can just keep doing this plunge attack. All right, messed that up, but you can just run him back over there, and then just keep doing that. Or you can be a man and, you know, hit him like 4 times in the ankles. Well played, demon. It was a good fight. You tried, buddy. Now you have a shocky sword. You can cut boxes up real easy like. Alright, now you run over here and you fucking juke the dragon. Look at that big dummy. Thinks he's roasting me. Not today. Not today.
The way up is clear. We are amidst the flow of time itself is convoluted. With
I don't know why I'm skipping through his dialogue.
There's no telling how much longer your world and mine will remain in contact. But use this to summon one another as spirits and engage in jolly
cooperation.
You're not the only one, but I am a warrior of the sun. If you
Alright. This is the best character in video games. Is Solaire. Why'd I point that way? Alright. Close enough. He the best. So now we can run this way and not get roasted alive by this big stupid Drake. So I'm sure all of you guys know, all of you 2 guys know that you can sit here for a good 10 minutes and just shoot his fucking tail and get a good sword. But that's some pushy shit. I'm not gonna do that. I ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna level up just a regular sword, I guess, and do some, I don't know. Unless something good drops. But just fuck around. Here. Whoa, okay, man. Man, I'm really bad. I'm really bad at this game. What is going on tonight? I'm glad you guys are watching this quality stream. I mean, YouTube video on how to be good at Dark Souls with me, your host, the best Dark Souls player. Watch this parry. This is a master level parry. You gotta juke them first. You gotta make them think they're gonna hit you, and then you parry them. Only here, folks. Come on. You big pussy, hit me. How'd I not hit the... Come on, you stupid rat. It'd be real nice if they dropped to humanity. But you know, it's never gonna happen. Never gonna touch me, rat. Not gonna let you. I may never touch you. Well, you touched me. Should I fight this great sword, Black Knight? Yeah. I think I will. I think I'll do it. I'm gonna clear all these goobers out. All these dirty munchkins. And then I'm just gonna kill that. Never mind. Well, That's a good point to stop at. Damn. Alright, maybe I'll get better overnight and impress you guys next recording, but oh, fuck. Goodbye.